What is the greatest sandwich of all time?
I'm gonna go Philly cheesesteak.
You're correct with the Philly cheesesteak from the city of
Brotherly love. Since this is our first long form video we're doing together, deep down, it just felt right to recreate the video that started it all.
It's time for us to do Philly cheesesteak, us, you guys. Here we go.
Short forms weren't enough. What the heck?
Out of all the years that Greg could have decided to do a cooking show, could have done it in our 30s. And now I have no self-control, so.
And we're well fed, so.
Yes.
First things first, we're gonna start with the most important part, the cheese whiz. Also, first controversy of the day. I like to use American cheese. This is Kraft American cheese. I'm not doing any of that fancy deli stuff. This is Kraft American cheese. Because I'm stuck in like this social media thing, I think you have to like take it out and like slap it in. So next thing we're gonna do is we are going to take our cheese and now double boil it. Really important, you don't want your cheese to burn. Right on top of here. You gotta tuck in for a few minutes because this is gonna take some time. I think it's time for you to cut some onions. So tell us, how are we gonna slice up this onion to get it the perfect cheesesteak side?
Well, first we take the sticker off.
Are you sure?
I appreciate my fingers, so we're just gonna slice it gently. You notice who's not crying right now? Me cutting onions.
Look at that face.
Look at that, no tears whatsoever. I'm like the Johnson & Johnson of cutting onions.
Johnson & Johnson.
Why don't you tell the people how the whiz is coming along?
All right, you can see here the whiz is starting to conform together. The cheese is starting to melt, so we're gonna check that out and make sure, yeah, look at that, that's melting kind of nice. So we're just gonna keep giving it a mix here, a little mixy mix. One more check here. I think we are good to start do our last step here. So what we're gonna do is we're going to take our evaporated milk and little by little add this in, do a little mix here as we've added that in. Try not to get it everywhere, especially on Joey's camera.
I bet our patio is covered in whiz.
All right, look at that. See, we're there.
All right, so we sliced our onions. We've got our thinly shaved ribeye that I absolutely prepped beforehand and did not buy pre-sliced. All right, so I'm gonna hand this over to Greg.
Oh, thanks, Joey.
Not at all cheesy.
Not at all cheesy your stage. Got our Blackstone set at a medium-high heat, and then first things first, boom, throw that down. Let's take a lot of bit of salt, fresh cracked pepper.
Do you need me to...
A fresh pepper? You crack a fresh pepper?
When?
All right, when? Mix this up here. See that nice little browning we're already getting on our onions? So we'll get them one more nice little flip. Next thing, the star of the show. So we're gonna take a little more.
It's way too cold for bees to
wait, bees? Boom. Get in here and get this all spread out. All right. So we're gonna do a rough chop to start. Rough chop to start because we need to season. Blackstone cheesesteak seasoning. All right, so we're gonna use a solid amount of this. No one likes unseasoned meat.
Can't have unseasoned meat.
All right, so see what we're doing here. In a line, we're literally just chopping the heck out of this here.
All right, how are we looking?
I think this is ready for, not yet. Next step is bringing it all together. Today, we are going to do Wit Whiz. You don't get a choice.
And what does Wit Whiz mean?
Wit Whiz means that you are getting onions, which is the wit, whiz, which is the whiz. We're gonna take our beautiful onions and we are gonna just throw them on top. And then we're gonna mix them all in together. Only one thing left to do, and that is build some sandwiches.
Nope. If there's the biggest cheesesteak Karen I've ever met, it's Greg. I'm gonna add a bunch of other stuff to my cheesesteak because I don't care about the Philly rules.
There's rules for a reason.
Nope. Take the camera. I want mushrooms. I want peppers. I want hot peppers. I don't care. I want it all.
Joey, I hope you're proud of yourself right now.
All I know is I'm gonna have a great sandwich.
I saw Joey, he walked out with some peppers. He has to be so extra.
It's very disappointing to me because that's just not the Philly way. And this is a Philly cheesesteak.
This is what's gonna make the sandwich great. I hear about this all the time. It's gonna be good bread, it's gonna be good bread. Whoever says that is 100% correct. We actually had to have bread shipped to us from our friends from Philly. Shout out to Blackstone Betty. I want to take about that much or so. We are now going to grab a little bit of our whiz and we are gonna mix that in with our steak, okay? I'm gonna take my bread and I'm going to steam it. It's like the world's greatest steam bath. You've got meat, you've got onions, you've got whiz. Tell me something's better. I don't know. Now, I think the sandwich is ready for the final step. Let's take it off the griddle. We're gonna come underneath it and flip and turn.
Oh,
and
look at that.
We've got that nice caramel. Look at that, look at that, look at that. All right, we've got that cheese whiz. It's whiz-tastic. Let's finish this sandwich off. Take my sandwich. I'm gonna drop it like so. One side there. One side there. Tightly, like a gift, because it is the greatest gift ever. And there you have it, your cheesesteak sandwich. Should we cut into it?
Nope, we're gonna make mine now. All right, so we're doing the non-traditional
Traditional cheesesteak sandwich. All right.
The one that's got more flavor and tastes better. And then I'm gonna take some of that white American cheese. Just gonna leave that there for a second.
This sandwich just got like a touch better to me. A touch.
You know what's
better.
gonna make it even better?
You're
whiz all over this.
Like
sandwich.
you're just going rogue here. Every cousin in Philly right now is losing their mind.
Yeah, maybe. Next, we're gonna steam that bread with all the extra goodies on
All right.
it. Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. I'm telling you, it's gonna be real.
I mean,
good. I think this is probably ready to go. Let's take a look.
oh yeah.
Just a little more whiz on mine too, because why not? I'm gonna add a little bit of these peppers just to make everyone even more upset.
gosh.
So good.
It's, yeah, just make sure you don't get any in the sandwich there. There you go.
Cheers. Cheers.
I've got my traditional cheesesteak with
And
whiz.
and mine's the better one.
All right, well, only one way to find out.
Dude, I'm telling you, this is so good.
All right, come here.
Right.
All right, you try that. Okay.
Don't lie.
None?
Let's get the bosses in here.
All right, well,
Have
here.
them try it.
I can't wait for this one. Try the original first. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Like, how good's that one?
That rolls with them.
This is Joey's fake cheesesteak.
I'm curious.
No, come on, really?
Let's go.
It's not a Philly cheesesteak, but it adds some extra flavor.
All right.
Layers.
Yes.
It's got layers.
Okay, the extra cheese, I'll give it to him. That was phenomenal. And the pepperoncinis, oh, so good.
Yeah, I hate to admit it, but
It was really good.
yeah.
Based on the boss's reaction here, I think we made some damn good sandwiches.
That's right.
All that's left to do is finish these sandwiches and say, we'll see you next time. Here we go.
Here we go.